If you're wondering whether Epsilla AI is worth your time, I've got 7 crucial things you need to know, especially if you're serious about using cutting-edge AI tools in your business or workflow. Stick around, because what you'll hear in the next 2 minutes could give you a serious edge. Before we jump in, yes, you can try Epsilla AI completely free using the first link in the description. No gimmicks, no credit card up front. Now let's get into what actually makes this new release so interesting and what to watch out for. First off, Epsilla AI is designed as a high-performance vector database and AI-native engine that supports real-time semantic search. In simple terms, it helps you find exactly what you're looking for in massive amounts of data instantly. If you're building AI apps, handling large datasets, or running semantic search operations, this isn't just nice to have, it's a potential game changer. Unlike other AI tools that tack on search as an afterthought, Epsilla was built for it. It's open source, lightning fast, and scalable from day one. Developers are already calling it the Redis of vector databases, but for AI, except way more focused on retrieval, indexing, and query performance. That's why it's gaining traction and fast. Second, performance. I ran a few benchmarks, and what stood out is the speed. We're talking millisecond level latency even under heavy loads. If you're integrating AI into real-time apps, chatbots, recommendation engines, dynamic content, this can mean the difference between frustration and fluidity. Third, compatibility. Epsilla supports both flat and HNSW indexing, which gives you options depending on your priorities, accuracy versus speed. Most users won't need to tweak this unless you're really scaling, but it's great to have that flexibility. Fourth, the API is clean. If you're a developer, you'll appreciate how quickly you can deploy and start querying. The documentation is solid, and they've already got SDKs for Python and Go, with more on the way. You won't be wasting hours trying to figure it out. Fifth, and this matters, privacy. Epsilla doesn't force you into their cloud, you can self-host. For teams dealing with sensitive customer data or proprietary models, that's a huge win. Sixth, the community. Because it's open source, updates are happening fast. There's already a Discord, GitHub is active, and a lot of early adopters are contributing. If you want to get in early on something that could rival bigger tools like Pinecone or Weaviate, this is the time. And finally, pricing. Right now, Epsilla is free to use. If you're testing or just getting into AI, that's unheard of. Even for production use, their cloud option is expected to remain affordable and dev-friendly. Try it free below and see how it fits your stack. If you're still here, you probably get how powerful Epsilla AI can be, but what I haven't covered yet is how it compares to some of the best-known tools out there, and that's something I'm diving into soon. Meanwhile, I've listed my top recommended AI softwares below, all of which you can try for free. I've personally tested thousands of AI tools. These are the few that actually deliver results. Check them out, and I'll see you in the next video.